Bitcoin money basically has a medium-term obstruction at $119.28 in a kind of significant manner. BCH United States dollar exchanges closed $209.11 in an unobtrusive way. BCH United States dollar pair exchanging above EMA 20 in a kind of significant way. The by and large current exchanging volume of Bitcoin money really is at $206,525,730, or so they generally thought. 21 September 2023. In this video we will in every practical sense walk you through Bitcoin money cost examination for now, or for truly 1 week from now, and basically attempt to answer these regularly in every practical sense. Got clarification on pressing issues. Facts. What in every practical sense is somewhat transient cost expectation for Bitcoin money, especially is BCH a very wise venture, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money support and obstruction levels and so on, which by and large shows that 21 September 2023. In this video we will basically walk you through Bitcoin money cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now, and explicitly attempt to answer these regularly truly clarified pressing issues. Facts. What truly is especially momentary cost expectation for Bitcoin money, basically is BCH a very wise venture, or so they explicitly thought. Yet, prior to plunging sort of profound into the BCH specialized examination, basically let us generally discuss the very current economic situations, which sort of is genuinely huge. Market examination over the absolute last 24 hours, there for the most part was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the in every practical sense whole digital money market to $1,054,588,025,469 in a genuinely significant manner. The fundamentally all-out exchanging volume basically remains at $30,136,343,183 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin shares 49.24% of the entry market, while Ethereum fundamentally has a strength of 16.33%. In an especially huge manner, which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,641.04 level after a decay of 1.61%. So market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there explicitly was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the very whole cryptographic money market to $1,054,588,025,469, or so they sort of thought. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum for the most part, has seen a value lessening of 2.24%, coming to $1,590.35 during the past 24 hours, in every practical sense further appearance. How market examination over the very last 24 hours, there in a real sense was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the by and large whole cryptographic money market to $1,054,588,025,469, which explicitly is genuinely critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $211.18 following a value change of 2.1% within a similar time period, which for the most part is very huge. XRP, the very local coin of XRP, basically is somewhere near 1.51. And at present exchanging at 51 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in a sort of significant way. These occasions for the most part demonstrate that the market really is going in an essentially descending course for present moment. Kind of additional appearance, how the in every practical sense, complete exchanging volume, especially remains at $30,136,343,183. Genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Right now, an essentially broad kind of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how Bitcoin shares 49.24% of the entry market, while Ethereum by and large has a predominance of 16.33%, or so they for the most part thought. Bitcoin money backing and obstruction backing and opposition explicitly are significant specialized pointers used to sort of recognize especially key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path, or so they certainly thought. Support basically is a level at which purchasers by and large become genuinely something else in every practical sense, dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing that XRP, the really local coin of XRP, truly is somewhere near 1.51 and presently exchanging at 51 cents, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Similarly, obstruction truly is a level at which merchants explicitly become move sort of dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which really shows that Bitcoin money backing and opposition especially are significant specialized pointers used to in a real sense distinguish in every way that really matters. Key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Following in every practical sense are the help and obstruction levels of Bitcoin money, BCH, Bitcoin money execution. The sort of current Bitcoin money cost in every practical sense is $209.11, with an exchanging volume of $206,525,730 in the essentially beyond 24 hours, showing how as of now, a kind of broad fundamentally bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how Bitcoin shares 49.24% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33% in a genuinely significant manner. Presently, BCH explicitly is somewhere near 1.72% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $4,079,908,365 United States dollars, exhibiting that as of now, an exceptionally broad kind of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how Bitcoin shares 49.24% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33%, which for the most part is very huge. Bitcoin money value examination BCH cost investigation for 21 September 2023, insight and in every practical sense, day-to-day time span in every practical sense, made sense of beneath, truly further appearance. How the extremely current exchanging volume of Bitcoin money explicitly is at $206,525,730, which basically is very critical. We utilize sort of relative strength INDEXRSI, moving kind of normal union and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including fundamentally straightforward moving fundamentally normal, SMA, and dramatic moving sort of normal, EMA to by and large break down the future development of the Bitcoin money, exhibiting how similarly, obstruction explicitly is a level at which merchants certainly become move in every practical sense, dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which basically shows that Bitcoin money backing and opposition in every practical sense are significant specialized pointers used to for the most part recognize genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which essentially is very huge. While BCH's Williams %R marker sort of is at 60.321 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange commonly signaled by in large is somewhat conceivable at this reach. So various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum truly has seen a value diminishing of